What is up, everybody? My name is Anthony. I hope you're having an awesome day today. I know that I am. Today I want to talk about Playlist Live, some tips and tricks that you need to know before you go. Let's roll the intro. Yeah, yeet. So for those of you who don't know, Playlist Live is a 3-day event that is held in Orlando, Florida every year. It is awesome. There are some really cool people that go there. There's some awesome things that happen, like collaborations. You can meet your favorite content creators and a lot of different really cool things. If you want to see more about what Playlist Live is and all of that, you can go ahead and hit right up here so you can see my videos on it, and it will really just give you a big idea of what it is. I have been going to Playlist Live since 2011, which I believe was the first year they did it. It was awesome. So before we get into the tips and tricks for Playlist Live 2019, 2020, whatever, there are 3 different types of people that go to Playlist Live. The first is the fans, the second is the content creators, and the third are the parents. So we'll first start with the fans. Who are the fans? The fans are people who want to go to Playlist Live to meet and greet their favorite content creators. So the first tip I have for the fans is stay at the Playlist Live hotel where it's going to be held. This year it's going to be held at the AntinnyWorld Center in Orlando, Florida. It is going to be awesome, and I can tell you right now, this is one of the biggest things. All of the content creators that you want to see, all the YouTubers as we call them, they're all staying there. Next tip, plan ahead. Get the app and make sure everything you need for Playlist Live is charged. I know for me, I have had moments where I've either been filming a video, wanting to take a picture with someone, and my camera has died. It is the worst experience in the world because then sometimes you get crappy photos from an old iPhone like I have used in the past. So there's a lot of things going on at Playlist Live. So you want to make sure you've got all your, this is going to sound really weird, ducks in a row, but you want to make sure that you know what's going on. So get the Playlist Live app. It is awesome. It has an entire list of everything that's going on. And yeah, the night before, please make sure you charge everything. The next tip I have is to eat and stay hydrated. Can you imagine meeting your favorite content creator and then fainting in front of them because you haven't eaten in 12 hours, or you faint from exhaustion because you haven't used the bathroom, or you haven't drank water or anything in the last 12 hours, I'll say. That would suck. Plus, you want to make sure that when you meet them, you feel happy. You don't feel like literal trash, because if you feel like literal trash, like most of us do all the time, it's not going to be a fun experience. I can tell you that right now from experience. So the next tip I have is just to have fun. Enjoy your time there. You're paying to be there to see some awesome people. So make sure you enjoy your time and live it to the best of your ability. So that is all the tips I have for the fans. Okay, so these tips are perfect for small creators and large creators. First tip I have is have business cards or something that you can hand people for them to find your channel. So make sure you have something. I personally have business cards. So I can just say like, hey, what's your channel? Boom, pop, here you go, fam, check that out, whoop. Next tip I have for you is have a video idea or a possible collab, vlog, or something that your normal content is prepared for Playlist Live. Playlist Live is a great time to do stuff like that, to vlog with people, to collab with people, and to go on other channels. Next one is, if you can afford it, do Business Day. Business Day, I cannot stress enough. It is awesome. You get time to literally talk with and meet sometimes your favorite content creators. So if you're a fan, you can do Business Day if you can afford it, but really, in all honesty, it's all focused on content creators. So that's all I have really for content creators. Next up is the parent. This first one is go to the parent lounge. This is perfect because it's a kid-free zone. You get free access to any meetup as long as your kid is going to it. And you can see actually all of that information on Playlist Live's website, which I'll link down below in the description. Also, while you're down there, go ahead and tell your kids or you to go to my social media accounts and hit that like, follow, you know. Next is to enjoy the hotel. If you enjoy the hotel, you're going to have a great time at Playlist Live. And that's what my family always does. We've always just hung out at the hotel. It is awesome. So make sure you go to the hotel for that. Go to the pools. Also, ask the concierge desk where the secret pool is at the AntinnyWorld Center. There is a second pool that not many people know about, and it is quiet 90% of the time. There's a lot of calm areas you can have in Orlando AntinnyWorld Center and at Playlist Live. So those are all the tips and tricks I have for you guys. If you guys found any of these tips or tricks helpful, or you're ready for Playlist Live, go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content about Playlist Live and a bunch of other different things. I also want to say thank you all for subscribing, for liking this video, and watching this video. If you want to see more content, you know what to do. Also, I will see all of you at Playlist Live. Twerk Team Captain for the win, am I right? Alright, it's your boy Annie, I'm out.